Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to use Google Password Manager on your Android phone in 2026. With Google Password Manager, you can securely save your passwords, automatically fill them in when you sign in, and manage all of your saved passwords in one place. First, open the Settings app on your Android phone, scroll down and tap Google, then select Password Manager. Make sure Google Password Manager is turned on. Next, enable Autofill with Google. This allows Google to automatically suggest and fill in your saved passwords when you sign into apps and websites. Now, open any app or website and sign in with your username and password. After you log in, Google may ask if you want to save the password. Tap Save. Your password will now be securely stored in Google Password Manager. To view your saved passwords, go back to Google Password Manager. You'll see a list of your saved accounts. Tap any account to view the username and password. You can also edit, copy, or delete saved passwords whenever you need. For better security, tap Password Checkup. Google will scan your saved passwords and identify weak, reused, or compromised passwords. If any passwords need to be updated, Google will recommend creating stronger and more secure passwords. If you use the same Google account on other Android devices or in Google Chrome, your saved passwords can sync across your devices, making it easier to sign in anywhere. That's how to use Google Password Manager on Android in 2026. It's a simple and secure way to store, manage, and protect all of your passwords. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.